Have suspicions about someone blocking you on Instagram? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through 3 ways to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Now, first option is to tap on Messenger icon at the top right. Now, check if their profile shows in your DM section or not. If they've blocked you, their chat wouldn't probably show up in your DM section. Second option is to search for their profile. Go back, tap on the search icon at the bottom. Now type in their username. Tap on their profile. If it says user not found or doesn't show any of their pictures or updates, or when you try to send a follow request, the request doesn't pass through, that means they've probably blocked you. Third option is to search the person's profile from another account. You can ask a friend or simply search from your other account if you have any. If their post and updates is visible to others, then it means they've blocked you. And those are the 3 ways to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.